What is up, everybody? Thanks so much for stopping by today. We are going to unbox my Look Fantastic for May of 2020 today. This box retails for only $19, ships from the UK, contains 6 items, mix of full-size, travel, and deluxe samples, but mostly full-size, and is guaranteed to have at least a $60 retail value. Awesome box, and I look forward to checking it out with you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload an awesome new unboxing video for your entertainment. In the meanwhile, let's get into this box. So like I said, Look Fantastic does ship from the UK, so the shipping takes a little while, but it's definitely worth it. You open up the box, they have gorgeous packaging. Open up the box and here's what it looks like. It looks like this month theme is the Botanical edition. So it comes with this really nice book. This book is really fantastic. This has got nice thick paper, really beautiful. And of course it's got the list of all the items in your package, plus it's also got some other articles. 10 Minutes with Lucy Penswick, looks like it's about Ico products, Dr. Lips, some other functions for one of the products in here. Botanical face mask, looks like there's an awesome recipe for a face mask. And then pineapple, what to use pineapple for. A whole article about all different exfoliators. Yeah, really cool booklet. I really look forward to reading more into that and checking that out. In the meantime, we crack it open and it looks like so much like glossy box. Open up that sweet sticker. And the inside of the box looks like this. So the first item I see, I am really excited about. I have been wanting one of those makeup cloths, and this is a microfiber cleansing cloth. Removes makeup with just water, so I'm really looking forward to using that instead of being tempted to use makeup wipes because they're not good for the environment. So just wet this bad boy down and makeup is supposed to come right off with it. You can use this up to 1,000 times. You can put it right in the washer, and I believe that you're not supposed to put these in with dryer sheets. Yeah, it says just reuse up to 1,000 times. Throwing them into the wash machine at 30 degrees Celsius because this is from the UK. So yeah, I would just wash it on cold. I wash everything on cold, especially with makeup because you don't want it to stain cloth. So that is a €10 value right now. The conversion I think today was $10 for, it was like $1 to $11.13, so $11.30 that retails for. The next item in here is like a sample, a deluxe sample. This is pretty big because it is a lip product. And this says it is a natural lip tint in sweet potato. And it retails for €3. So just a very clear, doesn't really have any smell. Just very clear, not really much to it. Shiny, you can kind of see the shimmer. This though says get a subtle pop of color and ultra hydration with this Dr. Lip tint. Tinted balm made with just 4 natural ingredients. Lanolin gives the balm its moisturizing properties, whilst sweet potatoes provide the tint. 100% cruelty free and natural, this balm will leave your lips super soft. Cool. And again, there was a little article in this pamphlet about other uses for it. So let's see, the next item in here looks like it is an Ico product. We just got an Ico product yesterday in our glossy box, so this is cool. This is an Ico Mini Eyebrow Gel. And this does retail again for €10, so $11.30. And just says that it tames unruly eyebrows and provides long-lasting hold without flakiness. Infused with beneficial ingredients including keratin, ginkgo biloba to condition and thicken hairs. So it looks like it is a colored brow gel. So that's interesting. I wonder how they knew for sure it would match people's colors. Well, regardless, so that's another $11.30 value with that item. We're gonna grab this Core's Hydrobiome Probiotic Face Mask, Probiotic Superdose Face Mask. So that's exciting. You guys know I love face masks. I've been doing them all the time. Suitable for all skin types, but especially great for sensitive skin. This Core's face mask soothes, hydrates, and cools for an ultimate pampering and nourishing feel. Nice. I love hydrating masks. I find so many of them are like clay-based and trying to suck things out of your face. It's really nice to find ones that add things back into your face. So that's really nice. And that retails for $9.40 in European money, so a little over $10, $10.50 probably. Balance Me Hyaluronic Plumping Mist. So it's just like a little summer mister. It's got like a pump on it. Oh, that's a nice fine mist. Hyaluronic Mister, award-winning skin quenching, brightening, and incredibly hydrating. This mist instantly rejuvenates dry skin, designed to replace a toner in your skincare routine, fix makeup in place, and refresh your face throughout the day. Oops. I love hyaluronic acid. That stuff is so good for your skin. Yeah, so nice little glow. All right, and the last item that I've seen here that I kind of saved the best for last is this Avant product. Avant, I guess I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I've received these products in some other boxes, and these are so expensive. Their products are so expensive. Super luxurious. I have an exfoliator by them that just, it works magic. This is an Ultimate Hyaluronic Acid Resurfacing Duo Moisturizer. This retails for €100, so this is a $113 product. Get bright and smooth complexion with the help of this rich anti-aging Avant moisturizer, formulated with hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and sweet almond oils to tighten firm for a more youthful complexion. Yeah, so not bad little lot of products here at all. So we've got, looks like overall retail value of $159.50, give or take, depending on the conversion rate at the exact moment that you're watching this. But today it's worth $159.50. And again, I only paid $19 for this box. This is a phenomenal moisturizer. I could not be more excited to give this one a whirl. I really like these Avant products, and I feel very spoiled to be having a $100 moisturizer in my collection. So very excited to get into these products. I've really been looking forward to them. I really like the way that hyaluronic mist kind of made my face glow. Anyway, so next up we're gonna get into, I believe, my Allure Beauty box. So kick back in for the next video if you're interested. We'll see you soon. Bye.